Hey, it's Noe with WTI. And if you plan on hitting the beach or are planning a trip that will have you in and out of the water, then you're gonna want a reliable pair of water shoes. And these from ziitop are just what you need. We found that these shoes were very comfortable, easy to put on, and had excellent traction. I think it's great that it has gripping for each of the toes on the bottom side and has plenty of drainage holes. It allows the water to easily drain. They're very lightweight and flexible. We found that these shoes also did have great gripping. So even when conditions were wet, we did not find that we were slipping. The fabric is great. We found that it was super breathable and stretchy. If you did feel that they were a little loose, you could use the little tie at the top of the shoe to allow a little bit of a snugger fit. We felt that these shoes were well made and are really gonna last us a long time. So if you're looking for an excellent water shoe, then check out these from ziitop. And that's our point of view.